In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to get total clarity on what's happening in your web projects using one of the simplest tools in Atarim. It's the Kanban board. Here's how it works. On the Atarim dashboard, you can click on boards. Every task from every page, whether it came from a client comment, a manual entry, or a team note, shows up here as a card. To view tasks only from a specific project, you can search for your project in the drop-down menu on the left, or you can search using the search bar. You can move cards between columns to reflect status, assign them to teammates, and set due dates, all within a few clicks. You can use the bar above the cards to sort by status and priority. It's perfect for project managers, agency leads, or freelancers juggling multiple clients. The result? Your team knows exactly what's happening. Your client sees real progress, and you don't need to send a single, "Hey, just checking on this," email again. Here's a pro tip. You can click the filter icon in the top right corner of the Kanban board to filter by urgency. You can also set the urgency on any task, low, medium, high, or critical. So it's crystal clear what needs your attention first. This makes prioritizing work a breeze, especially when deadlines are tight. Kanban boards in Atarim take the chaos out of project management and replace it with flow, structure, and progress you can see. What's the weirdest way you've tried to track project status before? Sticky notes on your wall or something else? And if this helped, hit subscribe and check out my video on how to easily get feedback from clients and teammates.